Hey everyone, welcome back to Corporate Decoder, the place where we peel back the layers of corporate filings to find the juicy bits and sometimes, well, let's just say things get a little shaken up. Today we're diving into Catalyst Bancorp, Incorporated's latest report Form 8, and it is not just about numbers, it is about a significant shift in who is watching those numbers. We've got a change in their main accountants, which is always a big deal for a company's transparency and future audits. Before we jump into the details, head over to the description and join our Discord community. It is where we hang out, discuss these filings, and share insights beyond the video. If you like getting straightforward analysis from official documents, make sure you are subscribed. So what exactly is this Form 8K filing all about? Think of it as a current report. Companies have to file this when something major happens that shareholders and investors should know about right away. It is not a regular update like a quarterly or annual report. This is for the unexpected or the significant changes. We're looking at Catalyst Bancorp Incorporated. The date of this report is the 31st of October 2025. This is the earliest date that something important they're telling us about happened. Catalyst Bancorp Incorporated is the company at the center of this report. They are based in Louisiana and their stock trades on the Nasdaq Capital Market under the ticker symbol CLST. Now let's get to the core of this filing. The big news here is Item 4.01 changes in registrant certifying accountant. This section details a switch in who is auditing the company's financial books. It's kind of like changing your doctor, especially when your current doctor is about to leave the practice. Here is what happened. The company's independent auditors, Horn LLP, were essentially absorbed into another firm, BDO USA PC. Because of this, Horn LLP had to resign as Catalyst Bancorp's auditor on the 31st of October 2025. Imagine your trusted accounting team suddenly becoming part of a much larger organization. But the story doesn't end there. Just a few days later, on the 5th of November 2025, the company's audit committee approved the appointment of BDO USA PC as their new independent auditors. So the torch has been passed from Horn to BDO. It's important to note that Horn was only appointed as the auditor for the fiscal year ending the 31st of December 2025 back in November of 2024. So this change is happening relatively early in that engagement. Now this is critical. The report states very clearly that between the 28th of March 2025 and the 31st of October 2025, Catalyst Bancorp Incorporated and Horn had no disagreements. This means there were no arguments about how to account for things, no disputes over how to present financial information, and no conflicts regarding the scope of the audit. This is good news because it suggests the change wasn't due to any major accounting issues or friction between the company and its outgoing auditor. They also mentioned that Horn was given a copy of this filing before it was submitted to the Securities and Exchange Commission, or the CC, and Horn was asked to confirm in writing if they agree with the statements made here. This is standard procedure to ensure accuracy and transparency. Interestingly, the report also clarifies that Catalyst Bancorp Incorporated did not consult with BDO, the incoming auditor, about any specific accounting issues or potential audit opinions before they were officially engaged. This typically means BDO is coming into this relationship fresh rather than having advised on past matters. And finally, they've included a letter from Horn LLP dated the 1st of November 2025 as Exhibit 16.1. This letter should confirm their agreement with the company's statements and provide further details about their departure. You'll also find Exhibit 104, which is the cover page interactive data file. This is part of the SEC's push for digital financial reporting, making data more accessible and machine readable. So what does this all mean for Catalyst Bancorp Incorporated? A change in auditors is rarely a casual event. While this filing assures us there were no disagreements, it does introduce a period of transition. Investors will be watching closely to see how BDO integrates with the company, and if their audit process reveals anything new. It is a reminder that the people responsible for verifying a company's financial health are crucial to investor confidence. This isn't about spotting a huge profit increase or a dramatic loss, but about the underlying trust mechanism of financial reporting. We'll be keeping an eye on future filings to see what BDO's involvement brings to the table. Their role is to ensure the financial statements are a true and fair representation of the company's performance and position. Alright, that is our breakdown of Catalyst Bancorp Incorporated's latest filing. What is your take on this auditor change and what it might signal for the company's future? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. If this analysis was valuable, hitting that like button really helps us out, and subscribe for more deep dives into corporate financial world. For more real-time discussion and direct engagement, check out our Discord community linked in the description. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.